This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs replacement. Press the tailgate release button and open the tailgate. Remove the upper and lower bolts on the inner edge of the light unit. Use a plastic wedge-shaped trim tool to carefully prise the light unit from the rear of the body, disengaging the lower and upper ball joints. Then pull the light unit away from the body. Also release the upper reflector part of the light unit from the retaining clips along the roof panel. Unclip the upper reflector part of the light unit from the main rear light unit if required. Disconnect the wiring connectors as the light unit is removed. This shows the removal and refitting of the stop tail bulb and the removal and refitting of the rest of the indicator bulb, and the removal and refitting of the reverse light bulb. With the new bulbs fitted, slide the roof section of the lamp forward to engage the clips, which secure it to the vehicle. Now refit the rear light unit, engaging the fixings on the outer edge. Refit the upper and lower bolts and tighten them to secure the light unit in place. Before driving the vehicle, check that all bulbs are operating correctly. Grab the recess to lower the tailgate. Close the tailgate.